sofa. Sunday family coming over. Move the crack behind the toaster. Carry pistols with no holsters. Trying not to be a poster. You was listening to your
YouTube, what's going on, man? It's your boy Bando Vandross, aka Bando Got Kicks, and it's my first unboxing for y'all. My first, y'all. Alright, get to it.
Growing up, I seen a lot of shit. Seen niggas turn
I ain't never done this
shit. iPad, nigga. Growing up, I seen a lot of shit. Seen kids get smoked, man. A lot of shit. Growing up, I seen a lot of shit. Seen niggas turn out, man. A lot of shit. Growing up, I seen a lot of shit. Seen kids get smoked, man. A lot of shit. Talk to 'em. Niggas like the couch. They can't rap, but you know I'm steady flipping some other boys. Bando number 23, steady being real. But niggas steady talking shit, but they ain't in the field.
So what we got here? We got the Air Jordan 9, size 10 and a half. White, toy yellow Concord, blonde Concord, and whatever the fuck that's. Alright, y'all, let's get into the box. Check it out from Poshmark. This is a Poshmark review.
Caught that nigga in his car, but that nigga say he went on it, so I shot him in his car. Yeah. Growing up, I seen a lot of shit. Seen niggas turn up, man. A lot of shit. Growing up, I seen a lot of shit. Seen kids get smoked, man. A lot of shit.
Oh my god, bro, y'all.
Seen niggas turn out.
These joints right here.
Growing up, I seen a lot of shit. Seen kids get smoked, man. A lot of shit. Trayvon Moore.
They're definitely legit.
For your brain, ho.
Check them out. Definitely
Lambo, got that Londo, got that Draco up at your front door. Nigga, where you going? Where you gon' go?
Poshmark.
These niggas think we hella dumb. That's okay because I got your bitch hella sprung.
Nothing off, the colors not off. You know, it's pretty good, man. Pretty good.
Extra clips.
I like this colorway though, you know. It's a nice colorway, man.
When it comes to music,
look at this, man.
play the best.
Look at it, bro.
Got Bando on my
They
neck.
cleans, baby. They're cleans. This shit was Bando Got Kicks, baby.
Hating on our fucking day. Yeah, we didn't see some lot of clips.
This was from.
Now she gotta wear the clip.
Oh yeah, I gotta make sure I do an honorable mention for him on the YouTube. This was a honorable mention to, let me see, my purchases. Like I said, Poshmark, and I better out. But shout out to Preem God Score NY. Shout out to you, man. Legit. Y'all can mess with him. He got a good selection on shoes and clothes, so y'all go mess with Preem God.
We got a racist ass president who ain't want us hurt.
Yeah, I'm new to this.
But y'all know what I say.
Forgive me.
Fuck 'em.
Yeah, y'all go mess with Preem God, man.
Okay.
I'm a new YouTuber. I go by the name of Bando Vandross.
2017 is my year.
I'm a new Kickster YouTuber. My next video will be on my shoe collection, starting out, and other than that, y'all subscribe. And you know, leave comments. Thank you guys. I'm out. Yeah.